Alright, solar documentary. What we've done today was we took this box, this 200 amp box we had sitting around, and we're using it as a junction box between the inverter and the house power. So inside there are two, there's a 3335 service line along with a 666H, I believe, line. So I'm going to use this 6 gauge to power the inverter and feed the power back using the service line. I haven't figured out how to do that part yet, but the important thing is that the infrastructure to run these wires have been established. So here's a receiving box on the side of the house, and I haven't figured out how to put it all together just yet. But that's probably the biggest thing we've done today. And we made some minor modifications to the direct current side. So we bought one of these combiner boxes for the 2 strings that will be coming down, and also the bottom. You've seen this before. We took I think that's a 200 amp breaker or 100 amp breaker for a direct current breaker, so it's for the battery system, and the 250 amp T-fuse just in case something catastrophic happens. Also our pride and joy at the bottom with our novel automotive jumper cable attachment system. All right, more to come.